Now we're going to test alkalinity. And what I did was we're looking to fill to our 25 mil mark on the side, so I made sure the bottom of the meniscus was at that mark. I checked at the eye level to make sure that level is good, so we've got a good sample. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add 2 drops of R07. And this is actually sodium thiosulfate, and what this does is actually gets rid of the chlorine in case there's any chlorine there, so it does not interfere. The instructions in the lid say swirl to mix, so I swirled R007 to, I'm going to have to work on enunciation too, is what I'm going to have to do. Now we're going to take 5 drops of R005. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice, nice and straight up and down. I'm going to swirl it to mix, and it turned green, which means that there's alkalinity present. Now what we're going to do is we're going to count the number of drops of R009 until this sample turns from green to completely red. So I'm going to do, to save time, I'm going to go 2 drops at a time. Did not turn. You can see it trying to turn in there. There's 4, and it started to turn, but not quite. So now let's go to 1 drop at a time. 5. 6. Pretty close, but I think we're going to need another 1 or 2. 7. And there we go. We have a nice change from green to pink on 7. So 7 drops. What we do is we take those number of drops times 10, and our alkalinity is 70. The ideal range is 80 to 120. So we're going to need to add some sodium bicarbonate to bring this guy up. But that is how you test alkalinity.